Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So TikTok now has this new feature called TikTok Bitmoji like avatars. You may be familiar with Snapchat's Bitmoji, and recently Instagram rolled out Bitmojis as well, or avatars, and now it's on TikTok. This is going to be good if you don't want to be showing your face on camera. Now I came across this article which I'll leave linked up in the description down below. It gives a little preview of how the avatar would look. So what you would do is, I don't currently have the feature rolled out to my account just at the moment, so keep that in mind. When TikTok releases new features, they don't release it to every single account at the same time. If I go to the bottom of this article, you can see here it says TikTok avatars are rolling out globally to all users. So you just have to be a little bit patient and just wait for that to roll out. So what you would do is you would go onto your TikTok app and then go to your profile, or you can just tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. Once you've done that, you'll be on the camera, then just tap on effects, and you should see, if I scroll up on this article over here, you can see the Bitmoji icon, and I think that is the one you need to click on. You can then select which Bitmoji you would like to use, and when you've done recording your Bitmoji video, the avatar is going to mimic all your movements and stuff like that, your gestures, which is pretty cool. So I think this is a pretty nice update. So what you need to do in order to get this feature is you just need to make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. So go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for TikTok, and then open up that and then see if there's an update available. For me, I don't have an update available today, but maybe in a couple of days I will get this feature. So you just have to keep in mind that it's rolling out slowly to accounts worldwide, so just be on the lookout for that. But other than that, this is a pretty cool feature, and I think people are going to be making a lot of use out of it. So that's the new TikTok avatars update. If you want to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, you can do so. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.